Hi friends, welcome to my channel Falcon Geeks. In today's video, we'll discuss about hierarchical inheritance in Java. So what is hierarchical inheritance? In hierarchical inheritance, so we'll have only one parent class or a super class and we'll have multiple child classes. So in the diagram you can see, so we have a parent class A, and class B, class C, class D, all are child classes. So all class B, C, D are inheriting the properties of class A. So let's discuss with an example. So I've already created the package, so I'm gonna create the class now. I've created the super class. Now I'll create the child class. I'll extend the main class. I'll create one more subclass, child class. So I'll just copy. I'm just copying the method. Save the time. I'll create the class with main method. I'll create the objects for the child classes. I'll, so I'll I'll inherit the method from the main bank. So we have a savings account in main bank, right? So I'll execute that here. I'll also do the same thing. Let's see if so I haven't extended here. So the reason I'm getting method listed here. So now you can see it. I'll execute it. So this is how you can reuse the methods. So you can see saving accounts. So I have created the object for the child class. Since I have extended, I'm inheriting the properties from the super class, so I can reuse the methods without creating the objects. So this is how we can do it. Thanks for watching the video.